Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Pembroke Pines local and long-distance movers near me. Whether you are moving in or out, call 3 Movers for an estimate. We have the national resources to provide you with a painless long-distance move. Our representative will come to your home and complete a thorough survey of the items you need to ship. Then they will give you an estimate that outlines what the charges are and explains how the move works. The representative will talk to you about the choices you have for different levels of insurance or valuation, and what you can do on your own if you want to save some money on packing. If you are moving locally, there isn't as much stress, but you still want to choose the best moving company and not worry about whether the movers are professional and trustworthy. Our team are reliable and hardworking. They are careful and experienced. We want to ensure that you are satisfied with our work. Our representative will provide you with an estimate of the cost after examining the goods that you need to move and reviewing all the service options with you. We will commit to a time, and 3 Movers will be there when we agreed. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pembroke Pines moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.